A medium is a way of sending a message. Sound waves and light waves are the oldest media for sending messages. Since sound waves only travel so far, people devised all kinds of ways to use light waves to send messages over long distances. Later, people learned to use copper wire, radio waves, and fiber optic cable. The first internet over copper wire was dial-up. It sent the signal over the same line as telephone conversations and used the same frequency. This made dial-up synonymous with slow. Modern internet over the phone line, or DSL, uses different frequencies, so it's reasonably fast, but you have to have a landline phone to use DSL. Cable is also copper wire. It represents a pretty big investment in infrastructure and costs more than DSL. Fiber optic cable is the fastest, most reliable, and most secure way to transmit data. The signal can travel much farther than on copper wire, and it's hard to tap into. Fiber optic cable is used to send data all over the world, even under the ocean. But there's a downside. Fiber optic cable installation is very expensive. It costs about $20,000 a mile to install the lines, and about $600 per house to get it from the road to the home. The high cost means that it isn't profitable for companies to install fiber optic cable outside of densely populated areas. People have tried to get around this by considering internet a public utility and using public funds to install fiber optic cable to rural areas. ISPs don't want the competition and have promoted legislation making municipal internet illegal in about half the states in America. Wireless transmission is inexpensive and easy to install. When public frequencies are used, there are no licensing fees. It's much more flexible than cable and easily adapts to mobile transmission. But setting up a wireless system that is reliable and fast is tricky. Interference from other radio transmissions is a problem, and close attention has to be paid to security because the airwaves are open to all. Despite these challenges, wireless systems like Newport Wireless Mesh will become even more important in the future as more and more of our lives become computerized.